My name is Kevin Crouch and I'm the Managing Director of Unitech Oxon. We formed the company back in 2001 and I started it from a background of kitchen installer and starting to sell my own kitchens, and have been growing ever since really. It's a family business, so we try and give a really good service and backup to our customers. And the business just took a path that I didn't expect. We're predominantly trade. We've got a small showroom within the factory and we do some local retail work.
This showroom is it's a base for our head office. It's for customers, new business to come in and see what products we can create and actually see it in live.
When we had the little workshop and I was just manufacturing for myself, we literally had a table saw, a little Vitap spindle drilling machine and a hot air Edgebander, and it was a laborious process to say the least.
From where Kevin started it off, the actual original process doesn't actually change. It's just how we do it and how more efficiently we do it.
We try and put the best of the best into the cabinets. It's all Blum fittings and nice wooden drawer boxes if requested, and I like to think of our cabinets that being good for 20 years. We used to suffer with previous machines, long delays in getting spares, availability of engineers when there was a breakdown.
We had 2 machines of everything.
We couldn't afford to just have one, because if it went down we would be letting customers down, which is a real no-no.
And that's obviously changed now in the last 5 years, because in the last 2 years we've gone down to 1 machine of each, because obviously Biesse have come in.
At Unitech, we have a Sector 450 saw, an Eco 902 drill, Rover B FT FD nesting machine, a Stream Smart 8 Edgebander. We only use PU adhesive on the product now since we bought the new Biesse Edgebander. That has vastly improved the business, and the edging finish and the detail of the product is just really good now. We can't go much better with it.
The machinery that we're using now, I believe personally, is far superior to the competitors we were using before.
With Biesse machines, you get a 5-year total care package, which is a warranty over the machines, and also you get 2 services a year on the machine. We're confident about the fact that the machines will do what they need to, and if they don't, somebody's there or it gets resolved remotely.
We've got very good communication links with the office, with the service engineers, and 9 times out of 10 when we put a ticket on the system for a breakdown or something the machine is not doing, we would get a reply within an hour, and if we don't have a phone call, an engineer is booked within 24 hours.
I consider Biesse to be a partner. The total package and the way it comes across to us is definitely a partnership.
They are part of our business. I wouldn't call them a supplier. They are very important to us going for another 25 years, hopefully.
Unitech needs to build on itself now. We've got a really good team of guys. We've got really good machinery, a good team of staff in the sales office, and we just want to build our business now and build on the basis that we've got going forward.